Hello friends, this is VV KULKARNI from PMC School JNV Tuljapur. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about an interesting topic. I am going to talk about arithmetic progressions in the alkane series. Yes, you have heard right. I know the first thing that strikes in your mind is, sir, alkanes means hydrocarbons and what it has to do with arithmetic progression. Today we are going to see the relation between the alkane series in arithmetic progression. Let us see how it is in arithmetic progression. The formula of methane is CH4. The formula of ethane is C2H6. The formula of propane is C3 and H8. Now, this is called as alkanes. Now, if we try to compare the three alkanes, let us see how I can say that it belongs to arithmetic progression. Let us try to compare the first. If I consider this as my first term, this as my second term, and this as my third term, then let us see. See here, the difference between the two carbon atom here is 1. Again, the difference between the two carbon atom between propane and ethane is 1. Here there are 2 carbon atoms, whereas here there are 3 carbon atoms. So again it differs by 1 carbon atom. That means I can say that in methane, ethane and propane, the carbon atoms are differing by 1. They follow a specific pattern, and that is they differ by 1 carbon atom. Now let us check it out in case of hydrogen. Here you can see in case of methane there are 4 hydrogen atoms. In case of ethane, there are 6 hydrogen atoms, and in case of propane, there are 8 hydrogen atoms. Let us see now what happens. Now the difference between the hydrogen atoms between ethane and methane is 2. Again, here there are 4, here there are 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Again, in case of propane, here there are 8 hydrogen atoms, whereas in case of ethane, there are 6 hydrogen atoms. So again, there is a difference of 2 hydrogen atom. Thus, we can say that in methane, ethane and propane, the hydrogen atoms are differing by 2. Mathematically speaking, they follow a specific arithmetic progression pattern. Scientifically, in science, we say they are differing by CH2. That is, it's called as homologous series. But mathematically, we can say that they are differing. The carbon atom differs by 1. The hydrogen atom differs by 2. It is a perfect example of arithmetic progression in science, and it's a perfect example of combination of science and arithmetic progression. Thus, we can conclude that the carbon and hydrogen atom in alkane series follows a definite pattern, and that is of arithmetic progression. It also promotes 21st century skills like creativity and innovation, and also critical thinking. It aligns with NAP because it promotes holistic and integral learning of two subjects, science and maths.